Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create Kit subscriber for Facebook lead ads lead. So let's suppose I am running an online business and promoting that business with the help of Facebook lead ads. Now I want that whenever someone fills the form, a new lead is received, a subscriber should be automatically created in my Kit account. So to do this automation, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Facebook lead ads and Kit. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take Facebook lead ads from where I will receive new lead, and then in my action application I am going to take Kit where the subscriber will be created automatically as soon as the new lead will be received. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Kit subscriber for Facebook lead ads lead. For this, we are going to create automation between Facebook lead ads and Kit with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. And first I need to provide the workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to create Kit subscriber for Facebook lead ads lead, and then I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this Facebook lead automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create Kit subscriber for Facebook lead ads lead, which means whenever a Facebook lead will be received, a subscriber will be created in Kit account automatically, which means whenever I will receive lead from Facebook lead ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger says when this happens. So whenever I receive new Facebook lead, an action says do this. So create subscriber in Kit account. So in my trigger application, I am going to take Facebook lead ad, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take this new lead instant. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I have already logged in my Facebook account, and that's why I just need to continue as that account. For that I have to click on this. And authorization successful. So Facebook lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the page name and then I have to enter the lead gen form. So to enter this, I have to take you to my Facebook account. So this is my Facebook account, and this is the page that I have created by the name Natural Glow Skincare, and I have to promote all my advertisements with the help of this page. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down select my page as Natural Glow Skincare. And then in the lead gen form, I can see all the forms that have been created under this page. So to enter this, I have to take you to Meta for Developers. So this is the app dashboard of Meta for Developers, and on the top I can see all these options. Here under the resources, I can see this developer tools. I will open this, and if I scroll down, I can see this lead ads RTO debug tool. So I will click on this, and I can see this page and the form. So from this, I need to select my page as Natural Glow Skincare. And then in the form, I can see all the forms that have been created under this page. Here I want to get this natural glow lead form. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and from this drop down select my lead gen form as natural glow lead form. Now I have to click on the save and send test request. And over here I can see waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means so as to get the response in my Pabbly Connect, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to open my lead ads testing tool and I have to do form submission from over here. But before submitting any form, I have to first delete this lead. And then I have to make sure to refresh this page once, and from this page drop down I will again select my page as natural glow skincare, and then my form was natural glow lead form. Now I have to click on this preview form. So here this form has appeared in front of me where I am going to enter some dummy details in all these fields. So in my skin type I am going to select this as combination, and then my first name as new, and then my last name as user, and then my email address as new928@pabblitudes.com, and then my phone number as this one. Now I have to click on this continue, and then I have to click on this submit. So as soon as I've submitted my form, this detail should be captured and received in my Pabbly Connect. So let's open my Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down, I can see that I have instantly received the response. Here the skin type was combination, the name of the user was new user, then the email address was new928@pabblitudes.com, and this was the phone number. So we have received the response in Pabbly Connect. This means the connection that we have created between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads is successful, and now whenever someone will fill the form, I will start receiving all the details in my Pabbly Connect. So moving on to the next step, I have to choose my action application. So I want to create Kit subscriber for Facebook lead ad lead. So whenever I will receive a new lead, I want to create that lead as a subscriber in my Kit account. So here in my action application, I am going to take Kit, and then in my action event, I am going to take tag a subscriber. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and to make this connection I have to enter the API key, and then I have to select the API secret. So it's written you can find the above key by logging into your Kit account. After login, go to account settings. So I will click on this hyperlink given over here as I have already logged in my Kit account, and here on the left hand side I can see this developer option. So I will open this, and then I can see the API key and the API secret. So now I just need to copy the API key and paste that over here, then go back and copy my API secret and paste that over here. Now I have to click on this save. So Kit is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is tag ID. So I have created a tag by the name Facebook lead ads, and I'm going to select that ID from here. Then I have to enter the email address, and to enter this I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So as soon as I click on this email field, I can see this Facebook lead ads, and when I click on this I can see all the response that I have received from there. So I need to enter my email address, so I click on that response, and over here I have entered the email address, and then I have to enter the first name. So over here the first name was new. Now here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to click on the save and send test request, and here I can see I have received the response with the subscription ID. Now I need to open my Kit account and check whether the subscriber has been created there or not. So this is my Kit dashboard, and on the top I can see this grow option where I can see the subscribers. So I will open this, And if I scroll down, I can see that I have created this user new928@pablitudes.com, and this has been created under the same tag Facebook lead ads, and then the first name was new. Now, so as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's open my lead ads testing tool again and fill some other form with some other details. But before submitting the form, I have to make sure that I delete the lead, and then I refresh the page once. And from this drop down, I will select my page as natural glow skincare, and then the form as natural glow lead form, and then I have to click on this preview form. Now I am going to enter the details. So here in my skin type, I will select this as dry, and then I will enter my first name as latest, and then my last name as user, and then my email address as latest847@pablitudes.com, and then my phone number as. Now I have to click on this continue, and then I have to click on this submit. Now as soon as I've submitted my form, the subscriber should be created in my Kit account under the same tag. So let's open my Kit account, let's go back, let's refresh this page once, and over here I can see that I have created this subscriber by the name latest. The email address was latest847@pablitudes.com, and it has been created under the same tag Facebook lead ads. Now to summarize, we took Facebook lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the page name and the lead gen form. We submitted a form and received the response in Pabbly Connect, after which we moved to the next step and selected our action application as Kit, where we entered a tag ID, the email and the first name, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as the subscriber been created under the same tag in my Kit account. So we have successfully created automation between Facebook lead ads and Kit with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.